There was a time when the Canadian forecast felt familiar. Winter storms, spring floods, summer heat. But something has shifted. Climate change increases the frequency and intensity of extreme weather. So when minutes matter, when a storm is building faster than expected, information can mean the difference between preparation and catastrophe. So Canada has changed the way it warns its people. One of the most enduring stereotypes about Canadians is that we can't stop talking about the weather. And for good reason. The sheer size of Canada's landmass engenders the full spectrum of nature's fury. The challenge facing Environment and Climate Change Canada's meteorologists was to design an alerting system that would be relevant and easy to understand no matter what type of severe weather is unfolding on any given day somewhere in the country. The answer is based on three critical pieces of information. What is expected, how severe could the impact be, and how certain is it to occur?
Under the previous system, there was essentially one color for each alert. So red for warning and yellow for watches. It was difficult to clearly communicate the risk associated with each warning. The focus was on the forecast and not on what the weather will actually mean for people. So the new system is an impact-based approach. We do the same forecast as we used to do, but now we try to anticipate the level of impact within a society and then look at the confidence of the forecast, and with that we can choose the level of the alert, which is yellow, orange, or red, depending on the impact anticipated on the population. For example, the 20 millimeter of rain. On its own, it's not enough to trigger an alert. But if that same 20 millimeter will fall during a high-level water river or during snow melt during spring, it can cause significant impact. So we will have to send a warning for that specific 20 millimeter because of the context of the weather forecast. The forecast on itself doesn't change. What changes is the way we communicate the risk to the Canadian population.
For the average Canadian, the new system will show weather risk at a glance. The system uses three colors to help the public better understand how serious a weather event is likely to be and what level of caution that they should take. Yellow means hazardous weather that may cause damage, disruption, or health issues. Moderate impacts, localized and/or short-term. Orange means severe weather likely to cause significant damage, disruption, or health impacts. Major impacts, widespread and/or longer term. Red means very dangerous and possibly life-threatening weather that will cause extreme damage and disruption, extensive impacts, widespread and prolonged. With climate change causing more extreme weather, it's important to pay attention to the weather alerts from Canada's expert meteorologists. Because when the skies turn, we can't afford confusion. Together, with this new approach, we will be better prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws at us and better equipped to reduce and overcome the impacts of severe weather.